Hi, I'm Laura Gable with LeHane, and today I'm here to talk to you about the 7 ways that you can use social media in your job search. Now, it's no surprise that social media is used when screening candidates before hiring, but did you know that 70% of employers are screening candidates with their social media profiles? 70%! That's crazy! So think before you post, because your social media presence can actually hurt you just as much as it can help. So in order to optimize your social media presence, we're going to go over the 7 best practices for using social media in your job search. Number 1, keep all of your platforms consistent. Use the same profile picture and headlines across all of your platforms, whether it's Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever you're using. This makes it super easy for all of your potential employers to find you in a sea of thousands of people. Regardless of where your employer could potentially find your profile, you want to make a good first impression. It's been proven that happy faces and professional headshots make positive reactions on people. So please do not use a photo where you've clearly cropped yourself out of a group shot. It doesn't make a good first impression. It doesn't need to be a professional taken picture, but it needs to look professional. Number 3, make sure your profile is dirt-free. This goes beyond cleaning up curse words and drunken photos, but take it to the next level. Make sure there's no negative comments about your personal life or your job search. It's all about highlighting the positive. This is your opportunity to show viewers and potential employers all about you, your interests, your values, who you are as a whole person. All of these things together will help you shine beyond the resume. Number 4, update your profile regularly. Your social presence is never set it and forget it process. You need to make sure your profile is relevant and consistent with your ever-changing personal life and career. Hey, did you just get a new certification? Great, share that. Did you just read a really cool industry article? Fantastic, share that. Part of establishing your social resume is being engaged and building a rapport. Employers want to see that you have passion for what you do, what your interests are, and that you're engaged. Plus, the more involved you are online, the higher you'll rank in search engine results and the more relevant your profile will be. Number 5, join an industry group. Participate in discussions, read industry-related articles written by your peers, and just expand your network. You never know who you're gonna meet. Besides, belonging to a group can help you stay relevant and at the top of your game. Number 6, pay it forward. Being active on social media also means that you're part of a community. So whether you're interacting with your friends, coworkers, industry peers, establishing connections and interacting is what it's all about. But hey, let's face it, that takes a lot of time and effort to nurture all these connections. So to start off, do the simple things. Follow people, like their posts, comment on their posts, share things, tag your friends. You can also do things on LinkedIn, such as endorsing their skills and leading recommendations. All of these things will help elevate your social presence and hopefully encourage others to do the same for you. Finally, number 7, set a schedule. Before you even think about interacting online, come up with a strategic plan of how you're going to attack your social resume. But make sure that it also aligns with your overall career campaign strategy. So, once you're ready to make the leap of increasing your visibility and your social resume, you gotta pick what platform you're gonna use. Are you gonna use Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram? Whatever you decide, pick the 1 or 2 that's best going to align with your career goals and your target audience. Okay, so let's recap. We're going to make sure everything is consistent across all of your platforms while using that professional photo. You're going to make sure everything is dirt-free and up-to-date regularly. You're going to leverage those industry groups and pay it forward to all of your network connections. But please don't forget to set that schedule. You want to make sure you're using your time wisely. So there you have it. You are now a social media professional and on your way to getting the attention of so many recruiters and potential employers. I really hope you enjoyed our time with us today, and we'd love to give you a little gift. In the comments below, there's a link for a free ebook that's a companion piece to this video. It'll go over more tips and tricks of leveraging your social media in your job search, as well as setting up your individual platforms for LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. But hey, don't be a stranger. Make sure to be subscribed to our channel so that way we can continue to help you launch your successful job search.